Hey everyone, my name is Austin and today we're going to be looking at how to make a meme at the Jessamine County Public Library. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is get logged into a computer. You will use your library card number or a guest pass and your PIN that you set up. Once you accept the terms, you'll get to this desktop. You're going to be looking for the Adobe Photoshop icon. That's going to be this kind of blue shutter icon over here on the left side. Double click to open. And this is the screen where you will be presented with. So this is going to be your main workspace. Up top we have some views. We have a quick view, we have guided, eLive, and then expert. For our purposes today, we're going to be mostly in the expert view. And we're going to move our time up here because it's actually getting in the way of some buttons. So, what you'll first want to do is actually find a picture that you want to turn into a meme. One that's really popular right now is the cat and lady. The lady yelling at the cat. So we will right click and save image as, and we'll just call it PS Practice. It's saving as a JPEG image. That's what we want to work with. We'll click save. Minimize the internet browser. We're going to switch back over to Photoshop Elements. Now we're going to click open. And as you can see, it's already brought us to where we've downloaded it. We'll highlight it, click open, and now we have our picture. So you're looking at this screen and you're probably wondering, what is all this stuff? On the left side, we have our tools pane. We have our select tools, our enhance tools, draw tools, and modify tools. We're not going to be using all of those today. We will be using a few of them, however. On the bottom here, we'll have our tool options. Right now there's not a whole lot of context. As we get into it, you'll see what options that we do have available for each tool as we get into it. And then on the right side, we'll have our layers. Layers are going to end up being very important for what we're doing. It's going to make sure that we don't end up messing up the original photo by adding new layers into the project. So, in a meme, the first thing that you want to do is create an area that you want to use to have your text. A lot of people usually use the top area or the bottom area, sometimes in the middle. For today, we're actually going to use the bottom area of this picture. So, to select the bottom area of the picture, we're going to go up here to the rectangular marquee tool. This is going to allow us to draw a perfect rectangle in the area that we want to type our text. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to create a new layer. We don't want to edit the background layer because if we end up making a mistake, other than pressing the undo button a bunch of times, there's not really much we can do to alleviate any kind of mistakes we might make.